The 5%ers are one of the leading prop firms when it comes to trading. And now they've unleashed their brand new funding ecosystem, which is everything that you need from a prop firm. It is super exciting, and if you are looking for a prop firm to assist you to make more money with your trading, they are definitely the best company to consider. I'm going to go into more detail in this video of what their new ecosystem entails. But if you're new to my channel, my name is Emily, and on Mindflow Trading, I share my journey as I grow and develop as a Forex trader. I am currently trading with the 5%ers. I've been undergoing their challenge this year for their $80,000 instant funding account, and I do share my progress on my channel. So make sure you're subscribed below to find out more about how I progress with my challenge. And if you're wondering exactly what the 5%ers are, who are the Fivers? The Fivers are one of the best prop firms when it comes to trading. They offer accounts to trade Forex, indices and metals. They are the only prop firm that's been established by real traders, and they offer a lot more than just simple prop firm funding, which I'm going to talk to you about in just a moment. If you want some more information about them, I have created some separate videos which I'll include a link to above, and also their website. Do check it out in the description below. Let's get into the video. So if you've used the 5%ers before, you'll know that they have a series of different programs available when it comes to funding. They offer instant funding, they offer a bootcamp challenge, and recently they offered something called a freestyle program. It all got a little bit confusing, and that's why it's so exciting they brought out their brand new ecosystem that basically has an option depending on what you're looking for in a prop firm. So I'm going to go through each of what their packages are in brief detail, and if you want any more information about any particular one, do let me know in the comments below, because I can create a separate video with more detail about that specific program just for you. So firstly, they have upgraded their new instant funding programs. They have removed the low risk and the aggressive option to make it much more simple and much more focused. They've also enabled their new instant funding programs to provide you with more profit and also a bonus. Once you complete your first stage, you will receive a 50% payout as before. However, from stage 1 onwards into stage 2, when you complete that, you will increase your profit split to 75%. This scales up, so you do have the ability to increase this up to a 100% profit split. There's also an amazing growth on this program as well, because every time you hit a 10% profit target, you increase your account size. But as an additional extra, you also receive a bonus. Now, the bonus is in the form of credits that you can basically spend on their website. So you can use your bonus to buy another evaluation account or another instant funding account for free. Their instant funding account is a one-step challenge, so you do not have to pass multiple steps to be able to get to your account. You just have one stage to pass to get access to your funded account. And they've also introduced something that's called the daily pause, which is another brilliant feature. This is basically where if you are down 3% on your account in one day, they will automatically pause your account for the day, which means that you won't be able to take any more trades that day. Some of you may not like this idea, but this is a brilliant idea when it comes to managing your risk, because it helps you to stop entering in the realms of emotional trading, which can really destroy a trader. It'll help you to stop revenge trading and over trading to try and compensate for those losses. Statistics show that 90% of traders will not recover once they've hit 3% drawdown in a day. So the 5%ers have introduced this new rule to really help to watch your back when it comes to trading, and to really help to give you the support that you need to carry on. So they are some of the highlights of the new improved instant funding account programs. Now here is a brand new program the 5%ers have introduced as part of their new funding ecosystem. Due to popular demand, they have brought out high stakes funding. A lot of other companies offer a similar program to this, such as FTMO and MyForex funds, but the 5%ers have provided more opportunities with their new high stakes funding program. But firstly, it's important to make sure you understand that this program is designed for the more experienced trader. So to be able to enter into this program, it is advised that you have a solid trading plan, that you are a focused and a disciplined trader who manages their risk. Because this program has almost no rules, it has a very high leverage, and it also offers deep drawdown. A lot of traders want these features, but not a lot of traders can handle them. So you have to be responsible to manage these tempting features. It's why it's called a high stakes program. It is a high risk, high reward program. So what is it? The High Stakes program is a two-step challenge that offers higher leverage and more profit. It offers a profit split of up to 100%. In stage 1, the profit target to pass stage 1 is 8% profit, and in stage 2, this is reduced to 5% profit. Overall, the maximum drawdown that you can go up to is 10% drawdown, and there is a maximum daily drawdown of 5%. As I said before, there is a high leverage on this option, and that is 1 to 100 leverage. But High Stakes is one of the fastest scaling plans in the industry. It offers hyper growth. For every 10% profit that you make, your account size is increased all the way up to $500,000. But there's something even more exciting about this that sets it apart from any other prop firm out there. Once you've reached the higher account sizes of $350,000 and up, there are also some amazing opportunities available. Firstly, you will receive a 100% profit split. So all the profits you make on the account are yours to keep. But what's more interesting is once you reach those higher account sizes, you're also offered a personalised contract with the 5%ers where you have the ability to actually draw a monthly wage. You can work for the Fivers in return for a monthly salary from $4,000 to $10,000 a month. But this is personalised to you based on your own style of trading and something that they will get in contact with you about when you are ready. Even though I'm currently undergoing their instant funding program challenge, I'm definitely interested in having to go at the High Stakes challenge when I'm ready for it. Remember, it is high risk and high reward. But you might be wondering, what if you are currently in a program? Has it affected you? Well, no, it hasn't. Like for me, I've already had a program with them before these changes came about, so I'm keeping my original program rules. But any new products that you purchase from the Fivers will now be a part of their new funding ecosystem. So you can take advantage of these new opportunities that are now available. But it doesn't just stop with their funding, they've also improved their dashboard and a lot of their features and resources behind the scenes. In fact, let's take a look. Okay guys, so I've just logged into my platform here with the 5%ers, and this is what their new dashboard looks like. So this is the program that I'm currently on. It's their instant funding program, but it was purchased before these changes, so it is using their old rules. Now, as you can see, I'm currently in profit. I've actually had a bit of a red week this week. I've been going through a little period of drawdown, unfortunately, for March, but I've managed to take some nice winners this week to build my account back up in the right direction. I've got plenty of time left on this account. As you can see up here, it doesn't expire until July, so I'm just really trying to take my time with this and choose the best A-quality trades, focusing on managing my risk. But there are loads of features available here, loads of data and analysis available to basically look at your past performance and help you to gauge where you need to improve on when it comes to your trading. But if I go over here into trading resources, this is so much easier to access because there are many things I've been wanting to do with the 5%ers and I haven't really been able to find the right place, such as this workshop here with Gary Dayton. I have read his book, Trade Mindfully, and it's a really good book when it comes to trading psychology. And he's actually done a series of webinars with the 5%ers. Well, it's easy to access it all here on the videos on demand section. And they've also got loads of other brilliant resources available here. They've got a Forex scalping workshop. They've got access to their live trading room. They also offer trade ideas, some information on their blog, and information on upcoming live events, such as their Traders Day, which is coming up on Saturday the 17th of June in London. I believe they've sold out of their platinum tickets, but you should definitely check it out if you're interested in going while tickets are still available. But they also offer one-on-one mentorship as well as help building your trading plan and some great features such as their economic calendar and some indicators. But going into the videos on demand section, this is where you can get a lot of really useful information to help you with your trading. So they do loads of different webinars. Sometimes they feature different people such as Gary Dayton, who I mentioned before, but they also have some experienced traders on here just there to help share some knowledge with you and help you to build your own trading knowledge. They have some guest webinars. They have webinars featuring traders who currently trade for the 5%ers and how they manage to pass their program, how they actually trade, what their strategies are. And they also have some workshops as well, psychology workshops, risk management strategies, and a course on trading with a prop firm. So as you can see, they're not just a prop firm. They try to offer loads of different resources to help you to grow and develop as a trader. But now with their new funding ecosystem, it just got exciting because there's now 3 options for trading. There is a stage 1 with their instant funding program where you only have 1 step to pass. There is stage 2 with their high stakes program where you have 2 stages to pass. Or they still have their original option, the bootcamp option, which is a 3-stage program spanning the duration of a year, where you can choose to start off with that program. The bootcamp option is the only lowest fee option in the industry. So it is a cheap funding option if you are tight on cash but you want to have a go with a prop firm. If you want some more information about the 5%ers, as I mentioned before, I have created some separate videos, so I will include a link to that above and also a link in the description to their website if you want to check them out or have a go at a program for yourself. If you've had a go already, if you've just signed up to one of their new programs, do let me know in the comments below. I'm super excited to see what you've gone for and what your experience is so far. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel below. Meanwhile, I'll catch you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!